Hi guys, we're here at IKEA now just to look for something. So this is IKEA Croydon. So it's like I think 30 minutes from home, but you need to ride tram or the bus to 89 going here. So this one 129 the table, that one is 12 pounds. This is like the sample. If you want to have like a kitchen, you can have like this one. So 2,720 everything with the neighbor for 29. It's nice. Now I have idea how to decorate the house. So this one is 79 pounds. What is it pound? So this one is 19 pounds. Oh, this one is nice decoration. So look at this table seating. So the chairs. This chairs is 99 pounds. I think this is for, I don't know, one piece or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 pieces. And then that is lovely one. It's like a bathroom ideas. You can have that one. And then like this. Yep. So the cabinet I think is a Good Morgan, that is 169. Washstand with 2 drawers. This one is 14 pounds. Drum house plan. So this is the entry one, and then you have a first room. So this is the idea if you want to design something. And then from here you have a kitchen. And this is the design, and then you have a small dining here. You have this column, and from the column you have this living room. This is the design. So it's up to you like that. And then when you go from here, it's another bedroom. That one. And this is the bathroom. So here you have like a stove, banana fiber, that's 25 pounds. The chair is 90. That column there, that is 65 pounds. Another one design here, living room. And then you have your dining area here, so with this kind of setup. So let's see how much is this one. So the chopsticks is, I don't know, 3 pounds. And the plates, I don't know how much the price of that. 4 pounds, different prices. And then you have this drop lights, which is included that white one, so that's 115 pounds off. This one is like a studio flat. How you gonna design a studio flat space you have? So like this one, you have this peg. I think that is, I don't know how much the price of the peg.
The sink?
Yeah, you have this one here, cabinets to put your plates or something. Okay, yeah, you have your boxes there, and then this is your mini sink. That one, this one. Actually, we have this one. We bought one of these. That is 22 pounds. So we bought this one, and we put some drinks. So you can put actually different things, like something if you want to like to have. I think we have another one of this as well, babe. Oh, I think I'm gonna buy another one of this one. It's a good compartment one.
We buy
This one, yeah. So I think that's 3 pounds 5 pence, which is no bad. This is like to put some pastas or some rice or anything you have, just to like a organizer. This one are the Kalak shelving. This is 40 pounds, 2, 4, 6, 8, but it's small size. This one is big, which is 45 pounds. And you can buy one of this as well. I don't know. This is 3 pounds 50, one of it. This one is 17 pounds. Yeah, you have this one as well. That's 35 pounds. This one, glass cabinet. So you can put some decorations, or you can put some wine glass or some drinks. Idea of the kitchen. So this one, the holder, this is 20 pounds. And then we have the range here. So this one, may see how much is this.
1,000.
This one have no price. I don't know how much is it.
1,000.
The wood is
Yeah, 1,000.
1,000. One another design. So you have here and this one. Let's see how much of the price of this. This one is 50 pounds.
This is
Yeah,
for me is the
festival
perfect
one. This one I like this design with the drop
Island.
lights, my love. The
And
table.
islands.
Yeah, this have an island kitchen here with this another tables, and then another kitchen there which is for washing, cleaning, and then some dryer for cooking. So yeah, so this is lovely one, and
This is a
then
fridge.
this is a fridge. Lovely. What a nice design. I like that color, rustic one.
Storage.
Storage
For the
area.
washing.
And then let's see this drink. This is £1.50. No bad for the price. And that's it. So there's another dining kitchen area design. Rustic style of the dining and kitchen one. And you have here. So let's see how much is this compartment. How much the price? They don't put the price here. There's another style with a living room, have a dining there, and then have a kitchen. And then you have another style of kitchen here, like that one.
There's more one.
With, yeah. And this one another style with this. So this one is £6. And this one is 15 pounds. We have this one already last time we bought, so this is £3.50. This one you can put like decorations, some bottles there, so anything that you want to put. So you have 29, 39, 30 pounds and 39. I think in Philippines I saw this one is like 50 pounds, which is a little bit expensive. So this one is £7. You can put some onions, garlic there, or anything that you like to put. Another one here. And this one. And this one. The price. This have no price. So this design is for an apartment with a 25 square meter. So this is like a sample design. Like this one. This is the kitchen. And this is your bedroom, and then you have your cabinet from here, you have another cabinet from here, and then from here you have a toilet. So this is sample one. You can have this where they put here. This another comes the open storage on the top of your toilet. This one is a foldable table, living area here. It's £8 and becomes £6, so we're gonna buy two of this one. Have a new one. Have this one as well to put your accessories and jewelry. Lots of cabinet choices. 50, 150. This one. We just keep strolling around looking for some ideas of our future house design, and we buy some stuff as well at home. So here is the IKEA corridor. Stuffed toys here for £3.50. This one is £12. The big one. So this one is £4.50. And this one here is £15. So we have here like a Pyrex for baking. This is for £6. Serving dish. The oven dish for £5. Not bad for the price. Lots of choices. So we have here, this one is forgot. This is £7. We have color black and red. We have this as well. This is good for doing coffee. So this one is £2.50. Good for compartment. for cookies or candies or anything you can put from here. This one is £3.50 and this one is £4.50. There's a table placemat which is £3, £2.50, different colors. So cushion £5. Got this one £3. Lots of things to see. Duvets here with different prices. This one £70, 65, 115. I think we call this in Philippines comforter, but here it's duvet. So this one is for the toilets for cleaning. This one's 25 pence. It's a robe. This is £25. I have the slip-on slippers. That's £2. Here, some things too. This is waste paper baskets. This one is nice for the plants. These are £13. This one, no bad. To the light. So this one is £50. £25. You have this one. Lights. £7. Shop the pictures and frames. So this one is £22. This one is £6. So this one I think you're gonna only do this a memo board. You can clip some pictures as well. Here they have big pictures. That is £50. This one, how much is it? £40. Last time they have a little bit smaller, which is £30. This one, we have a big wall map. This one is £35. Not bad for the price. How about this one? That one is £55. This one is a candle holder, which is £1.25. That looks nice. And we have this set of candles, which is £4.25. One as well, £10. The sample of how you're gonna put a candle. Very big candle. So different kinds of candle holders. Have lots of decors. This one I think is £8. This is £19. £15. And that's it, guys. So lots of things to see, but in a moment that's what we can have for the moment, because I'm run out of my battery. Oh, this one is lovely. There we are at the plants now. Oh, this one is famous in Philippines. In a moment, I don't know how much the price with this one. You don't put price. This is alocasia, santorium, some aloe veras. These are the cactus. No bad for the price. We have another more trees here. Lots of cactus style. This one. One is £9. It's a watering can for your small plants inside the house. Now we're here at the rugs. £20, different price. 13, 25, 19, 20, 7. This one is £25. This is the storage. What do you call this one? The storage area.
You pick up the stuff you want.
This is the place where you're gonna pick up the stuff. Like if you know something like a code there, you're gonna go in the aisle where you want to go.
The boxes.
Okay, let's see. But this is white. I'm looking for some other colors like pink or some blue colors. They already have a Christmas decors. This one is nice. Guys, tapos na kami dito sa IKEA sa Croydon. So, pauwi na kami. So, thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. So, ito yung dun sa kabila, yung furniture. Boots, Sports Direct. Saka dito kami pupunta sa may Burger King. Have a booth cinema here. Yeah, mayroong Jersey buffet din dito. With different kinds of foods from Asian, Mediterranean, Caribbean. So, thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe sa channel namin. Thank you. Good day.